Hi, I'm Evan. This is my phone. It's on a motorized rail, and we're going to use it to take 32 photographs of this chair from incrementally different angles. And then we're going to pull it into a looking glass and see what comes out. So Kyle came out with a piece of software that lets us import these photo sets. You can pan around the scene in real time, and you can zoom in and out. Let's try some fruit. So we've pulled our photo set into the looking glass. And again, we can pan around the scene. We can zoom in and out. And we can even change the focal plane.